In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Wix background. There are 3 ways to do this, and you can use colors, images, or video as your background for your pages. Hi, my name is Tracy from paulandtracy.com. If you're new here, please feel free to subscribe. We share tips, tutorials, and simple guides on how to create your very own website. From the Wix editor, choose the page where you would like to change your background. In this example, I'll choose my blog post page. You can right-click on the page and then select Change Page Background. Or from the left side menu, click on the third icon down called Site Design, and then under Page Background, click Customize. You have 3 options. You can change the background to a color, an image, or even a video. I'll show you how to change the color first. Click on Color, then select one of your theme colors. Or add a new one by clicking here. When you're happy with the color you've chosen, click Apply. You also have the option to use an image. Click on Image. You can choose to upload your own image here, pay for a premium image from Shutterstock, or select a free image from Wix or Unsplash. Search for designs here. And then select your image and click Change Background. With images, you'll only see part of the image on each side of your main content area, so just keep that in mind when choosing an image. And you also have the option to use video. Again, you can choose to upload your own video, or select premium videos from Shutterstock, or choose a free video from Wix. You can search for videos here. And to preview a video, hover over it with your mouse. Then select your video and click Change Background. To preview videos on your page, click Preview in the top right-hand corner. If you found this Wix website tutorial helpful, please hit the thumbs up button. And if you have any website tips of your own or have any questions about the video or suggestions for what you'd like to see videos on, then please feel free to add them in the comments section below. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.